Day 6 from 0 to WordPress 0 end of the year challenge. And today I'm talking about how you can build or create a new page on your WordPress website. So let's get on to it. The first thing you need to do once you log into your WordPress dashboard is to go to the page option and then click on it. Yesterday I talked about how you can create page, how you can create page, but I didn't create it. So today I'm going to be creating a page so we can all learn how to do that. So let's give it a moment to load up. So all you have to do is just come to this add page and then click on it and give it a moment to load up. The network is a little bit slow, so let's give it a minute to load up. So this is how it looks like. So you have to put it a name for it. So let's say service page. So the name of this page is going to be service page. So I can decide to continue to edit this page with Elementor, or I can easily use the WordPress page builder. But I won't be doing that today because I'm just going to show us how to create a page. So once you put in the name service page, just come here and click on publish. So give it a moment to publish, and boom, the page is created. So if you go back to the WordPress dashboard, you will see that the page is now here, service page. So from here you can easily decide to do anything you want to do on the page. So creating a page is as easy as that. You can decide to view it, you can decide to edit it, you can decide to do anything. In another tutorial video I will show us how we can add a template to a new page, how we can add a template to a new page, so we don't have to build from scratch. So but for today, this is how to create a new page. It's as simple and easy as that. So thank you, and that will be all.